welcome back. This is MRxTeabag here, gonna carry on from where we left off last time, as usual. Okay, so last time we done our crouching and proning, except as you can see it doesn't actually change the player, so if I go ahead and insert a cube, actually we'll just duplicate this one and use this one, because I'm lazy like that. And then we move this over. You can see that, well, let's go ahead. You won't be able to go through no matter whether you're crouching or proning, so that's kind of bad. So we're gonna go ahead and make it so that, well, first of all, before I do that, I decided that we'll do the movement first, because, you know, laying on the ground and moving like 10 miles an hour is not exactly the best thing. So we're gonna quickly do that. Oh, and also being able to jump while you're laying down. That's not a good thing, right? Okay, so before I get distracted, first thing I want to do is go to that gun. And where's the gun down? I don't like it when I start and the gun's already down. I can't remember where I put it. I think it's in animations. Yeah, there we go, gun down. Okay, so we want to go ahead and open up our player script on our animation part, which is actually the bit that picks all our speed. Walking speed, sprinting speed, aiming in speed. So what we're going to go ahead and do is push var, well, not push, type var, and then we're going to have player status here equals, no wait, we want to set that as an integer and then set it at 0, because we start off like, yeah. And then you want to do is in the update, gonna add another function. Let's quickly add the function here. Function. This is gonna be player status setter. I've never been good with names, so let's write that down, and then we're gonna put it in the update. I forgot to close that off. No, we hit play. Okay, now we want player status equals, wait, we're gonna have to variable player, wait, I've already got a camera. What's in my game objects? Player. Okay, no we don't. Okay, player, should we put this at the top of the other objects? Player camera. Forgot to put var. Yes, so it's going to be a game object. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Okay, so now inside here, inside the player status, we want to put player camera dot transform dot, should we put the actual camera in here, or should we put our camera location? Parent dot game object dot get component. This is going to be our script, and this is going to be player controller. Player controller. That is what we call it, right? Yeah, because it's right there. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. You gotta forgive me sometimes, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and have our player state. Oh, I brought the whole thing. Get rid of var. Okay, so what this script will do, it'll get the player camera's parent, and our player camera is here, so it'll get the parent, which is this object, and then it'll get the script from this object, and it'll grab whatever's in here. It'll set player status to. It should be anyway. Let's take a look just to make sure. So play. So it's 0. Oh, okay. Wait, I haven't even set the camera. Okay, main camera into there. Play it. Yeah, you see, it's changing on the actual gun now, so it's like kind of in sync, I guess you could say. Okay, so yeah. Now in here we just do if, and then we just use this player states equals 0, which is standing. We should really have variables in here, shouldn't we? Walking speed, sprinting speed, aiming in speed. Let's quickly space all those out. Have var, crouching decrease, and this is gonna be a float equal to equal to walking speed divided by 2. And then we want var, we want can sprint, which is going to be a boolean that's going to equal true to start off with. Alright, before that though, there was meant to be another bit of code. What? Var prone decrease equals crouching. Oh wait, we said that to a float. Crouch and decrease divided by 1.5. Okay. Save. That means we need this copy. We go down. Actually, wait. Get rid of this. Okay, walking speed is 6. We'll just set that to 3. And we'll set this to 1.6. How's that? And then we'll just change this to crowd speed. Crowd speed. Save. Okay, now we're gonna copy this. Go down to the bottom. And this is walking, so we're gonna put it in here. And we're gonna put these in there. I'm gonna get rid of it here. Let's just move it forward so we can get a better view of where we're working. I'm so tired. Okay, so we have if player status is 0. We're gonna need this for the sprint as well. So let's go ahead and copy that. Oh, it's raining. Paste that there. Close that there. These forward. Save. Okay, so this is a player status 0, which is standing, and do we need it? Don't really need it the same for aiming in, do we? Yeah. Okay, so just close that. Save. Okay, now here's the easy part. We just copy this, paste that there. Player status equals 2. Then max walking speed is walking speed divided. Wait. We could just put it in here divided, but no, we want the actual variable, don't we? So we can change it in the inspector. So let's go up and grab it, crouch and speed. Go down. Go, crouch and speed, crouch and speed, crouch and speed. Save. And it's simple. We're not going to be able to sprint if we're running anyway, so we don't need to do it in there. We will need it in here, wouldn't we? Okay, copy this. No, copy this. Oops, copy. Paste. And then we'll divide that by 2, divide that by 3, divide that by 2. Okay. Now if we go in here, if we play, now I'm pretty, let me maximum. Ah, god, that's loud. I always have this problem. Okay, if we maximize it, you can see walking there if it's fine, and then we crouch. I can't actually tell if there's a difference. There isn't a difference, what's up? Okay. Why isn't there a difference? Should I have like an else here? Play. Here it is. Let's change crouch and speed to 1. Wait. I was thinking, is there another way we could just do the movement? Let's copy this and then just remove it from here. It's likewise with this one. Actually, wait, leave the sprint in there, because we don't really play with that, do we? Delete it from here. Okay. Now we're going to go to the top, and where it says player status picker, I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Save that. Okay, so now we have this lot. Okay, so now we're going to have to set boundaries. So if input dot get button, what's it, sprint equals false, and input, another input dot get button, and this is fire2 equals false, and we're going to go ahead and copy that. Put our ands in, paste that in, change fire2 to fire1, save. So practically if we're not aiming in, we're not shooting, actually wait, we'll don't need to shoot, get rid of that one. If we're not aiming in and we're not sprinting, it'll give us these speeds. Let's go ahead and play that, see if that actually works. What? Oh. Oh. Get button. Not get mouse button. Save that. Okay, let's close this. Hit play. Okay, so walking around, crouching, wait. I don't get it, why is it still so fast? Just to check that it works. Let's change those to 1. Oh. Damn it. If it works now, then I feel like such an idiot. Okay, I guess I'm the idiot. Okay, so all the control Z, all that, get all the crouch speeds back, change this to 1, and copy this. Change this one to 2. And then we need to put colons for these. Okay. Save that. Okay, so we hit play. You can crouch, it'll slow you down. And yeah, so that one works. And then for prone, we want prone speed. Paste, 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 save, go in, play. Okay, so actually let's maximize this. You can see that all speeds change depending on what status you're on. Okay, but as you can see, you can still sprint, and that's pretty bad. So I'm gonna go else if, and we're just gonna copy this. Input go button sprint. Paste it in there. And put the fire 2 equals false. Okay, so practically have sprint buttons down and we're not aiming in. Let's go ahead and save that. We want the player to sprint, so we're going to go back down to sprint, grab the sprinting speeds, copy that, remove it from here, go up to the top and paste it here. There we go. So go ahead in here, hit play. And then yeah, sprinting definitely makes us go faster. But as you can see, we're sprinting while we're proning and everything. So we're going to copy the player status equals 0. Practically we're standing. And we're going to go ahead and can sprint. We're going to play with this variable. So we're going to have if player status, looks like I'm gonna have to copy that. Player status equals 0. And then we're gonna have an else. Okay, let's do this. Where's our can sprint? Can sprint equals true. Else can sprint equals false. Okay, now we want to go down to the animation. Where's the sprint? I want to add this in and paste can sprint equals false. No, equals true. I want to go up to where it sets the state. Here, play sprint, not firing in. I want to go ahead at the end of this, add the same thing. Can sprint equals false. Save. So now we go in here, hit play. We won't be able to sprint while we're not standing or while we're laying down. But you should be able to sprint while, yeah, you can. But then okay, let's get rid of it from the animation. Let's see. The animation one. There. And up here, that's meant to be true. So, play, play. Okay, you can sprint while you're standing. You can't sprint, can't, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, so that works perfect. So we're going to save the scene, save the project, and I will catch you in the next episode.